How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile settings. In there, tap on the settings option available there, right below your profile. Once you tap on the settings, tap on the privacy and safety option available there. Once inside privacy and safety, tap on the end-to-end encryption chats option available there. Now select message storage, and here you can choose to turn off secure storage, which means your encrypted messages won't be backed up. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.